is Beth Wiberg, and I'm a geospatial programmer at RGI, and today I'm going to be talking to you about using NOAA open data for disaster response. To give you some quick background, RGI and the Army Geospatial Center worked together on a project called Operation Blue Roof. Operation Blue Roof is a program set up with the Army Corps of Engineers and FEMA that provides temporary blue tarps to homes damaged by hurricane events. The Army Geospatial Center requested RGI's assistance to use AI and ML to develop models that find where damage has occurred and detect damage to roofs using NOAA aerial imagery, with the hopes of being able to determine which neighborhoods need the most help and to prioritize resources. NOAA provides timely and open satellite imagery data after natural disasters. They actually have an emergency response imagery library that contains imagery from all major US storms since Hurricane Isabel in 2003. They post imagery as soon as a day after a hurricane passes, allowing for rapid response. Our models were trained on Hurricane Ida imagery over Louisiana from 2021, and they were tested and improved using Hurricane Ian imagery over Florida from 2022. Accessibility of this data is critical for rapid and efficient disaster response. The Blue Roof Project was able to use this imagery from Hurricane Ida to train two models, both with over a 90% success rate at detecting and identifying damage from a hurricane. Open data allows for life-saving efforts like Operation Blue Roof to be done quickly and without a paywall. RGI developed two models to do this, using Esri's deep learning libraries and Mask RCNN. The first one is a damage detection model, which identifies whether a building or home is damaged and outputs a bounding box surrounding the structure with the confidence score associated with it. And the second one is a damage segmentation model, which identifies specific damage on a rooftop and outputs an outline of the detected damage along with the confidence score as well. The graphic on the screen shows the accuracy report for the damage detection and damage segmentation base models. These were trained entirely on imagery from Hurricane Ida. Coincidentally, after training our model off of Hurricane Ida imagery, Hurricane Ian hit Florida. Hurricane Ian was one of the most damaging hurricanes in recent years, and it caused 160 fatalities and $113 billion in damages. So our models were trained on open imagery, and this allows us and future users to quickly fine-tune a model specific to damage from new storms, which allows us to create a robust model that identifies damage and damaged homes and can quickly be utilized for disaster response. So we conducted a case study over Cape Coral, Florida, that's the graphic on the screen, because of the damage that it endured during the storm. We wanted to see how accurate our models were at a larger scale, and so we ran our model on Hurricane Ida imagery over this area due to the nature of the damage. Our model returned 60,000 results in the region, and of that, 23,000 were detected as damaged. The metrics on the screen show the initial results of the model trained over Ida imagery, and so we went through and manually validated all of these results and confirmed that 50,000 of these houses were detected and 18,000 were damaged. We then fine-tuned a model with a subset of these results to achieve the metrics of the final model. Open data is critical for researchers and developers to produce products like the model we used in Blue Roof. And NOAA's efforts in rapidly releasing this data and providing a back catalog is incredibly valuable in providing timely disaster response. And as other disasters increase, such as wildfires, additional models can be developed with no friction in obtaining the data. The imagery catalog actually has imagery from the most recent wildfire in Maui, and in future cases like this, our models could be used as base models for them, saving enormous amounts of labor in generating training data. Again, my name is Beth Wiberg. Here's my contact information if you have any questions, or you can find me afterwards.